If you run a business, I am sure this question comes to your mind, whether Meta ad or Google ad, which one is better? In this video, I will explain the difference between Meta ad and Google ad, and I will tell you where should you start and which one is better for your business. I will use only a real life example so that you can understand easily. So without further ado, let's start. Main part, a street vendor. Let me tell you a quick story. Yesterday, I was sitting in front of my laptop and doing some editing for my YouTube channel. Suddenly a person came and started calling out, "Ashen amader vhaner nikot, dekhen amader ponno gulo." If I translate it, it was like, come near our van, look and choose, take what you can, 100 taka value, 50 taka plan. At that time, I was curious about his product and I was thinking, okay, I am sitting idle, so let's go and check out what is happening there. Then I go outside and the street vendor told me, "Brother, here is some new collection of t-shirt and the price is so low. You can purchase this if you want." So here what's happened? Actually, I was not searching any type of t-shirt at that moment. But after watching the design, I was thinking, okay, the price is reasonable, so I can buy it for me. That's why I purchased one t-shirt for me. You can compare the activity of this street vendor with Meta ads. What's happened in case of Meta ads? People usually scroll Facebook. They don't have any intention to purchase anything from Facebook. They go to Facebook for some refreshment, to connect with their friend and family member, and you grab their attention through your visual like image ad, carousel ad, video ad, and offer and discount. When people find out that okay, this offer is good for me, okay, this product is good for me, then they purchase it. Now imagine another situation. You really need a t-shirt. What will you do? You will go to the market or any shopping complex. After going to the market, you will tell the shopkeeper, "Show me some design, for I want to buy some t-shirt." Is it? In case of Google ad, what's happened? People already wants to buy. They search on Google about the products, details and price. They are already warm and hot audience. So in simple term, we can say street vendor is equal to Meta ads and the showroom is equal to Google ads. Meta ads create interest and Google ad capture interested buyers. Suppose you suddenly get a high fever in Dhaka or Russia, any region. What will you do then? Will you go to Facebook or search for anything, or you will go to Google and search for the best doctor nearest me, best clinic nearest me, best hospital nearest me? Obviously, you will go to Google and search for these things. Now suppose you have a AC repairing business. In summer, someone AC stop working. Then what will he do? Will he sit calmly and scroll on Facebook? Or he will go to Google and search for AC repairing service near me, AC repairing service in Rajshahi, best AC technician in my nearest area? Obviously, they will go to Google. These people already have a serious problem. They are ready to call. So if you can place your ad in front of them, you are giving a solution to them. You are not forcing them to purchase your product. That's why any type of service related business works much better on Google rather than Facebook. On Facebook, we actually cannot target who need AC repairing service. Suppose you run an ad and your ad are placed in front of 20,000 people. Among them, only a few need AC repairing service. Facebook ads normally work based on behavior, gender, location, interest, but not on real-time problem. Facebook ad is not useless. Facebook ad works better in some cases. Number one, you have a new product. People don't know about your product, even don't search on Google about your product, like skincare product, herbal product, weight loss product. Number two, if you need awareness and brand building. Number three, if you have low budget, because Google ad cost a little bit higher than Facebook ad. Number four, impulse buying product, which people buy after watching, not by searching, like watch, gadget, kitchen accessories, and any discount and offer related product. Number five, lead generation business. Suppose you have a immigration related business, or you run an online business, or you have a real estate business, then Facebook ad is also good for you. Now Google ads works better because here people come with clear intention, perfect for local business. If you have a B2B business, if you want phone calls. From my real experience, I will say the person who comes through Google ads, they are more serious and ready to buy. There is a confusion in Bangladeshi people. Many people think that Google ad only work for big companies who have big budget, but not. Google also cares about you. Google ads works based on keyword, relevance, quality and optimization. Budget only control how fast you get the result, but Google also cares about you. Ask yourself one question: does your customer already have a problem? If yes, then Google ad. If you need phone call, then Google ad. If you have a B2B business, then Google ad. If you need awareness, then go with Facebook ad. If your brand is new, then you can run Facebook ad. In a nutshell, you can say when people buy after seeing, you can use Meta ad. When people buy after searching, you can use Google Ad. So if you have any confusion related to Meta Ad or Google Ad, then please comment, I will reply. If you like this video or if this video helped you even a little, then please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.